Hey everybody, what's up? Phillip Bridges here. I am super stoked today because I finally can get rid of my iPhone for recording, and I can use a Canon 80D. I ordered the bundle off of Amazon. I'll put a link in the description below if you want to take a look at it, and let's see what I got out of it. All right, let's take a look and see what we got. Huge box. It came really quick. It came like in 4 days. All right, what do we got here? We got the Canon 75 to 300 millimeter f4 to f5.6 lens. It's a really nice lens. It's not bad. We got a flash. Commander optics. It's pretty cool. Oh, bag of miscellaneous stuff. Some SD cards. Looks like a remote. Battery. We'll open it up in a minute. Oh, what's this? Oh, nice. A power grip. I didn't even know this came with it. Sweet. I almost ordered one. I so almost ordered a power grip today. That's awesome. This kit only comes with one battery, so I ordered an extra battery, and that was in this power grip was in my shopping cart on Amazon, and I'm like, oh, I'll get it later. It's like $45, so I'm super stoked that I didn't have to buy it. Well, I did end up buying it, but I guess it came with the package bundle. But let's clear your lenses off. A Pro HD Series high def telephoto lens. Got the 500 millimeter 8 f-stop telephoto lens. Pretty sweet. Commander Optics Series digital filter kit. That's nice. Oh, we got a Pro stick. Oh, yay. Not really. I have one of these. These things are garbage. But it came with the kit. Nevertheless, it's a tripod, and if you don't have a nice tripod, that'll come in handy. Another lens. It's the Canon 50 millimeter lens. f1.8, and the dogs are fighting over some popcorn. Optic, some macro close-up lenses. That's awesome. Very nice. Some more optic. Oh, these are digital filters. Very cool. Oh, and here it is. The Canon EOS 80D. I was filming on my phone, and I was also filming on an old Nikon 32, was it N or D3200, something like that. My sister gave it to me to borrow because I really didn't have anything, and it would not focus on me I couldn't get it to autofocus on me. It was horrible, but she let me use it, so I'm thankful for that. Wide angle high def lens, and then we got some lens light covers or whatever those are. This Commander, probably a monopod. Monopod. Yeah, it's a monopod. Cool. Don't really have one. Oh, and this is a professional 180 rotating flash video light bracket. That's cool. Very nice. And then the Canon gadget bag, the 200 DG. That's pretty sweet. And then the bill. That was the bill. So it's a pretty sweet bundle. Oh, it's the 96 gig memory, which it says, read it, 32 gig. I'm sure there's a couple in there, so I'm sure it all adds up to 96 gigs. Okay, hold on a second. I want to open up this bag of goodies here because that's going to be awesome. All right, in this bag of goodies, we got the 32 gig SD card and we got a 64 gig SD card, which if you add them together, that is, what is that, 96 gigs. Good, my math hasn't failed me. Then we got a little remote. Looks like a USB hard drive comes with it. We got a camera strap. That's cool. A deluxe starter kit commander for digital cameras. So looks like cleaning cloth, microcloth, sensor swab. Cool. I don't have any of that. That's really nice. And then you get the Pro rechargeable battery. So the question is, $1 million question. Where's the battery charger? Oh, and this looks like some cleaning solution or something. I hope I have a battery charger. Maybe it's in the camera. Maybe. Fingers crossed. Let's check it out. Okay, so I realized I am missing a lens. I got another telephoto lens that was like 750 millimeter to like 1500 or something like that. It was like ridiculous. So I'll have to look into that. Still trying to find the battery charger. So hopefully I get a battery charger. But it's okay. I ordered batteries, so they'll be here tomorrow. But still looking. Hold on. Okay, so I had this rechargeable battery that came extra with it, which it only said that it was coming with one battery. So I got the I got a charger in the camera kit, also a strap, another strap, and then I got another lens, which is the 18 to 55 mil Canon lens. So that's pretty sweet. But that's four lenses, and I should have got 5, but I see a couple things in here that I wasn't supposed to get in this package, so maybe it balances it out because I wasn't supposed to get that rechargeable battery. This light bracket, I wasn't supposed to get this Pro stick tripod I wasn't supposed to get, which this is maybe like a $5-10 tripod, and then this power grip I wasn't supposed to get, which is at least a $45 value. So I guess I'm not going to complain too much. You know, I'm gonna look at the price on that telephoto lens because I kind of like that. I wanted to use it for doing some outside shots because we got a lot of bald eagles down by the river where we live, and that would have been cool. And I can't do this with one hand, so use the mouth. Use the mouth. Come on, we got a multi. Sorry, my kid and dog are playing. Somebody's winning. Okay, now this is the 80D. Oh, that's beautiful. so beautiful. You got your mic input right there, headphone jack, very nice, HDMI out. It's got the flip screen. Oh, it feels so good. Feels so good. Can you feel that, buddy, huh? Sweet. Okay, so I'm gonna mess with this. All right, so I'm recording on the Canon 80D right now. The battery is almost about ready to die, but I just want to show you the difference. I don't have my mic up there yet. I have a mic for it that will mount to it, but this is how the sound sounds like off the Canon 80D. I'm really impressed with it. It's tracking my face. It's really cool. I'm in focus. It's amazing. I am in focus. I can't do that. Couldn't do this with the Nikon D3200. It just would not track me. It doesn't have the flip screen anyways. So, but someone gave it to me. My sister gave it to me, so I could start my YouTube videos and stuff like that. So I'm very thankful that she did. But it was just nerve-wracking because I would do videos and then all of a sudden I'd like go into editing and realize I was not in focus whatsoever. So, and it's so irking, and just like you get so angry because you put so much time and effort into videos and you go back into editing and you're all out of focus. So I'm really excited about this. This just boosts my spirits so much higher, because every time I was doing videos, I was just always worried, am I going to be in focus? You know, that's the whole thing running through my head. Am I going to be in focus? I don't have to worry about it anymore. Thank you, Canon. Very cool. And the tripod, that's where the tripod is. It's on the floor. It is a piece of junk. My tripod that I said was a piece of junk is actually a better piece of junk than this piece of junk. But that's okay. I have a better tripod. If you like this little review, kind of, not even a review, more like an unpacking of the Canon 80D camera that I got, hit that like button. Comment down below what camera are you using if you're doing YouTube videos, and have you ever had the issue with any autofocus or anything like that, you know, where you do videos and then it's all blurry and you're like, oh no, gotta redo it. And then, you know, I did 4 videos so far that I had to just basically scrap because the audio or the video was just so out of whack that I was just like, I can't put it out there. If you thought this video was awesome, subscribe down below, hit the like button, hit the notification bell so you get every video that I posted and you'll get the notification. And I'm Phillip Bridges, and I'll talk to you later. Okay, so what I thought I ordered, I had 2 options of camera packages that I was going to order from Amazon. I ended up doing the second camera option that I picked, not the first one. So I didn't get that telescopic lens. I thought that's the one I ordered, but it wasn't. I ended up going with a different package. So the package what I got was actually the package what I ordered. So I was just too caught up in the excitement and everything of getting my camera and stuff. I wasn't thinking clearly. But anyways, this is the Canon 80D with my mic on it too. So let me know if you can, you know, hear a difference in your audio